You are so right, Betty. It is my favorite show too. It's a mental train wreck of like tigers and redneck madness. You want to look away, but you just can't.
I think I went overboard with the burritos.
Being full is not an actual thing. Have another one. We've only got a couple left.
I don't think I can.
Blasphemy. Then you're no daughter of mine.
All right, just one.
Hey, what are you guys doing out there? Can you believe they're just ignoring me? Ugh, stupid jerks. Luckily, I don't need them anymore because I have you. Hey, if you guys are trying to lure me out with delicious burritos, it's not gonna work. Did they just leave the apartment? Well, yeah, of course it's dangerous out there. You don't have to tell me twice. Where the hell did he go? Ugh. He's gonna get sick, and then he's gonna bring it into the apartment. Ugh. I am not being a coward. You know what? That's just rude. I am done talking to you. Oh, who am I kidding? I can't stay mad at you, Betty Blight.
Okay, move it a little to the right.
It's an art. You've got to get it exactly in the middle. Observe.
Hey, did you hear something? I don't know what you're talking about. I am weathering this flu apocalypse just fine, for your information. I am in excellent shape. Considering I have eaten nothing but snack cakes and beer for the last few weeks, I am definitely not hearing voices. I'm not hearing noises either. Just for the record, okay? Look, it's actually pretty peaceful in here. No Snark or Terry yelling through the door. The sound of silence. Does the sound of silence have a certain aroma to it? It's a bit rank in here. Oh no, not you, baby. You're the sweetest smelling zombie I know. Oh, jeez, guys. What is going on in there? What the heck have you been doing? Eating pure raw garbage? Ugh. Oh, what the hell? Oh, God, for Jehoticus sakes. Oh, why would you do that? So what if I trap them in a cage? I take good care of them. I keep their cage clean. Well, I mean, sort of. I feed them from my precious store of snack cakes. Ugh. Oh, damn it, would you guys knock that off? Ugh. What are you talking about? Of course it's the rats. Oh, God, it's so bad. Oh, God, it is. What? What's out the window? What the hell? What in Jehoticus' name? Snark! Snark, what are you and Terry doing in my room? Are you farting in my room?
You better give me back my snack cakes.
Sweet Jehoticus! Oh, God, the smell! Betty, we gotta get out of here. We gotta. I'm sorry to.
I think he passed out. Now how are we supposed to get your snack cakes back?
Damn it. How good are you at climbing into windows?
Are you joking? I'm a turtle.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I came to talk with you again. Snark ripped ass in my bedroom. The gas came through and it swept the room. It was so bad that I threw up in my mouth from his ash cloud. It was the sound of farting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for your chance to win a rat.
Hey there, All Things Z fans! Snark here. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to our top tier Patreon donators. Thanks, Patty, Tracy, and Crystal. If you want to be a top tier donator and get a shout out at the end of every episode, click the link in the description to go to our Patreon page to become a survivor.